In this problem, you're asked to do a bunch of things with 3 cosine of x over 3 minus pi plus 6. The first is to figure out the phase shift. The phase shift is the horizontal shift. So we're really talking about what makes everything here in the parentheses equal to 0. And so when we think about x over 3 minus pi, if we set that equal to 0 and we add pi to both sides, we would have x over 3 equals pi. Multiplying everything by 3, we have x equals 3 pi. Well, that's not pi over 3 left. It would ultimately be 3 pi to the right. So that's false. The function has a max of 9. To figure out where the max is, we sort of have to graph it. Or at least, we don't have to worry about the phase shift because it's saying how tall does it go. But what we really need to do is figure out what the amplitude is and then how much has it moved up or down. So normal cosine looks like this. Again, not worrying about the period or the phase shift. We would stretch it 3 times. So instead of going to 1, we would be up to 3. And now we'd be looking like this. And then everything would get pushed up 6. So if I go up 6 from 3, I will be at 9. That is true. And now the period is 6 pi. Well, the period for sine and cosine is normally 2 pi. We know our period is the normal period of 2 pi divided by b. So what is the b, or the multiplier of x? Well, it's 1/3 times x is the same as x over 3. So we're looking at 2 pi over 1/3, which is the same as 2 pi times 3 over 1, or 6 pi. So that's a true statement.